Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this app called AppDrop. The app can be used for two basic things. The first thing is that you can use it to batch uninstall apps, and the second thing is that you can use it to backup apps, so you can have the APK file that you can send to others so they can install the apps if they want. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. It's going to take you to the Play Store. When you get here, you just need to click on install. I'm aware this is only available for Android. I don't know if there's an iOS version for it. So after installing it, you just tap open. So the first thing you can see is all the apps that I have on my device. I can keep scrolling to view more apps, but that's going to waste a lot of time. If you wish to uninstall multiple apps, all you have to do is just tap on the logo here. So let's say I want to uninstall this one. You can see I just tapped here and it was selected. And let's say this one as well. This is a banking app that I don't need anymore. And finally, this one. So after selecting them, I selected 3. You can see down here it says uninstall 3. So after selecting all of them, you just tap here to uninstall. And then you click OK. So you're going to have to do this for every app. So I have to click OK again and OK again, because Android doesn't just uninstall apps at once. You have to manually select OK. So if you select many apps to uninstall, then you're going to have to keep tapping OK and OK. So after uninstalling them, you can come here to see the apps that you have uninstalled. And as you can see, I've uninstalled 4 apps. This one I uninstalled to, just see how it works. And you can tap on it to, if you want to install it again, you just tap here to head over to the Play Store and you're going to see the app. So if I go back now, you can see the other apps that I just uninstalled. If I want to install them again, I can install them from the Play Store. So that's the first thing about the app. You can use it to uninstall. You can also swipe to access this part. You don't have to keep tapping here. So if I swipe to the right, you can see that I've gotten to the installed section. That is the part where I have all the apps that I have on my device. Alright, so the second thing you can do with this app is to back up your apps. Sorry, I can't be on camera. My camera just died. Alright, so to back up an app, you just need to tap and hold. And then you're going to see this option that says extract. So you tap it. And I'm using the free version of the app. So for me to back up the app, I'll have to view an ad. So I'll tap here and an ad is going to play. I'll skip all that part. Okay, so it says reward granted. So after the ad is done playing, you're going to see that notification. So I don't know why it's still saying continue with ad. So I'll just tap back and then tap extract again. As you can see, it says APK extracted to internal storage. So to find all the apps that you have extracted, you just need to go to your file manager. I normally use Archiver as my file manager, and I'm going to open it now. So as you can see, this is the app that I just backed up, and to find the app, you just need to head over to your internal storage, and then you click download. As you can see over here, there's a folder called AppDrop, so you tap it, and this is the app that I just backed up. So I can send this to someone else if they want to use the same app. So those are the two basic features that you can get with AppDrop. Now there are other options here, like if you tap here, it's going to rearrange the apps you have on your device. You can use this option to sort your apps from maybe largest to smallest. So this one from largest. And if you want to see your smallest apps, you can tap here. You can tap here to switch this from light to dark mode. I like dark mode, so I'm going to keep it. And finally, you can tap here to hide or view the size of the app. So now that it is deactivated, you can see that the size of the app is not here. But if I tap it again to activate it, you can see that it is back. So this one is 120 megabytes. And finally, we have this option that you can use if you want to try the premium version of the app. With this one, you won't have ads from the app again, and you'll be able to extract any app you want without having to view ads. So if you tap here, you'll be able to upgrade. For now, I'm not going to upgrade, but I'll just be using it the way it is. I think it's a nice app. The creator of the app has a YouTube channel. I watch his videos from time to time, so I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Oh, I forgot to mention that you can use this to search for the apps on your device. Funny enough, you can't find AppDrop.